All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today is a very special treat indeed. Porsche finally released the specifications on the brand new 2022 Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. Let's talk about that right now. Listen, everyone has been waiting for this. We've all heard rumors that this was going to be made, and it should have been made probably years ago. But Porsche does not say that they underpower the Cayman intentionally. They just say the 911 has different engineering things like exhaust and all that kind of fun stuff, and that's why it makes more power. But Porsche Cayman fans have been waiting for this for a long time, and thank you, Porsche, for finally making it, especially before you switch this platform to being all EV. Come on, you're going to give us a beautiful 4-liter engine that revs to 9,000 RPM, making 493 horsepower and 331 foot-pounds of torque before we switch to EV. Thank you. Thank you so much for that swan song of the internal combustion engine. I wish you would have done this years ago, but like somebody said a long time ago, better late than never. So let's get to some specifications. Let's get to weight, because that's what you really want in a lightweight vehicle, is to cut weight. This thing has lost 49 pounds over the GT4, only weighs 3227. You can drop another 40 pounds off that weight if you get a certain pack that starts with a W. I will not try to pronounce it, but that pack includes hood, side blade, mirrors, window scoops, and rear wings, all switched to carbon fiber. Plus, it replaces the steel half-roll cage with the titanium one, so that saves you another 40 pounds. So there you go, bringing it down. Your standard tires are Dunlop Sport Max, or you can pay extra and get some Pilot Cup 2s. It has forged center lock aluminum wheels that are 20-inch wheels, or you can pay extra for some magnesium wheels that will reduce unsprung weight loss. It has a 25% increase in downforce with a 0% increase in just driving drag, so that's awesome. It's PDK only. Porsche claims a 0 to 60 time of 3.2 seconds. I believe that's very conservative. It's probably going to be more like 3 seconds, maybe 2.9. Top speed of 196 miles per hour, and comes in at $143,050, roughly $20,000 cheaper than the 911 GT3. So has less power. The 911 makes a little bit over 500 horsepower and a little bit more than 340 foot-pounds of torque. About 9-10 horsepower less and about the same in torque loss. They say that again is due to the exhaust being longer in a mid-engine, which is not much longer, but okay. I'm sure we could fix that real quick in the aftermarket, giving it a better exhaust, and then all of a sudden it makes just as much power as the 911, if not even more. The lap time on the ring. So this is crazy to me. The ring is 7 minutes 4 seconds on that lap time. That is such a fast time. In fact, it beat the GT4 version of itself by more than like 20 seconds. So that's insane. And they were actually targeting a 7:15 lap time. So they beat their estimate by 11 seconds. So that is a very, very fast time. Some have been thinking that there was some brake issues. Porsche refutes that. Some think that this can actually be a 6-minute car around the ring, which would be amazing. But even 7:04 is fantastic. Now let's take a minute just to look at the styling. I love the way these wheels look. Actually, the whole car just looks fantastic to me. Thank you, Porsche, for finally making this. I don't hide a secret. I love the Porsche Cayman. I have said on record, and I will say it again, that I believe that the Porsche Cayman's platform is the better platform versus the 911. A mid-engine platform is better than the engine being in the back. If Porsche wanted to throw all their engineering team behind making this the best vehicle that could ever be from Porsche, it would be. Thankfully, they at least made this, which is fantastic. I would not buy a 911. Even though it might be faster around the ring, I would buy this definitely, hands down, over the 911 GT3. This is exactly what I would want. My favorite car that I've ever gotten to drive was a 981 Cayman. It was the GTS, 340 horsepower with the PDK. Wish I would have had the manual to drive, but at the track, all they had was the PDK. And that thing was just fantastic. So I could imagine how much better this would be. Yes, $143,000 is a lot of money. However, the next generation of this is going to go EV, so expect these prices to increase. So you could buy this as an investment. You could buy it, drive it for 3 to 5 years, turn around and sell it for more than you paid for it. Not many cars do you get to buy on the dealer lot and then sell it for more later. This is going to be one of those cars. So if I had the money, absolutely, I would buy this. I would buy this. I would also buy the flat plane crank V8 from Chevy and the new Corvette, the Z06. That is going to be amazing. So, and about almost half the cost of this. But I definitely love this car. I am so excited that Porsche finally gave this to us. And it's beautiful and it's got all the performance numbers. And I'm just, wow, this is cool. It finally is here. What do you guys think? Would you guys buy this? Would you guys buy the 911? Would you buy a different Cayman, a different sports car? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.